I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select Dropbox. To get client ID and secret, please visit Dropbox API console. Choose Scoped Access. Choose Full Dropbox. Name your app Bit Integrations. Now click on Create App. Go to Permissions. Give all these permissions. Click on Submit. Go back to Settings. Copy app key. And paste it here. Copy app secret. And paste it here. To get access code, please visit Dropbox access code. Click Continue. Click Allow. Copy access code. And paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select field, Upload file. Select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Let's check our Dropbox. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to Dropbox. Thanks for watching.